Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that this video earns your subscription. Wonder what happens when this meets this. We're about to find out. Take a look. Okay, my marker, so I try not to come off too much. You've seen this case on Amazon. I ordered it from AliExpress. I actually talked to the maker of the case, but they wanted a large quantity order. So I ordered from AliExpress so I could just buy one, check it out, and get it sooner. I was able to obtain it in about the same time it would have taken from Amazon, but I paid half the price at least. So the people on Amazon are either buying it off of AliExpress or they're buying from Alibaba, and they're buying in quantity. But let's take a look at it. So it's a polycarbonate, and they groove it so that then they can adhere this backing to it. My initial thoughts were to buy just the grooved plastic and then put a skin of some sort on it. This TPU here that they've used looks nice and feels nice. It looks like leather. Hopefully you can see that in the video, and it feels like leather. So from that point of view, they hit a home run. Very nice job. They even got these little sew seams, and it looks like it's been sewn. They didn't complete it up here, but not a big deal. So let's snap this on and see what we've got. So we'll put the top on top of the logo. Really should pick it up. Kind of snaps and slides. I've done some modification on this particular one. I'll show you in a minute. But looks like I've got it on there all the way. And let's put this on. Okay. Now, if this were it, I'd say, yeah, get this. Because it looks good. It feels good. Feels very nice. The buttons are exposed, as they should be. The USB port is exposed, however, it's not quite enough of a cut for me to be able to put my adapter in and my adapter to sit flush. It's up just a little bit on one side. They have a notch for the SIM card, but you can't access the SIM card, so they didn't notch it enough. Okay, so that's one. The SIM card is one flaw. This notch here is not a flaw because you can use a USB cable. It just will not accept properly my adapter. And we have the cutouts. So we're good with the exception of the SIM card. So if that were just it, then this would still be a really good buy because it feels good and looks good and would serve the same kind of function a skin does that you put skins on for. Now we're going to get past that. We're going to start looking at how we open the device. So opening the device, not a problem into book mode. But if you're like me, you also use single screen. Some people call it phone mode. So to do that, you have to start folding the device, and immediately I have a problem back here. Now, I can fold and it's going to push this off because I've made some modification. But boy, look at those fingerprints. But you cannot open it all the way. That's not happening. So that right there rules it out as a case that I could use. Maybe you could. If you're a book mode only user, it'll go full book mode. Not a problem. But if you're a single screen user as well, this is not the case for you. So the case does not appear to provide very good drop protection. I can't answer that because I can't test it, and I'm not going to test it. I can just tell by the design that the drop protection is going to be inadequate. Well, let's pop it off. It's a polycarbonate, I think. It is a rather hard plastic, because I took an X-Acto knife to this one side to remove a groove. Not a groove, but a lip that the device has. This has. There's the lip right there. You can possibly see it. It's right there. So I X-Acto knifed it down. I may need to hit it a little bit more, but I don't think that's going to help because I believe we're dealing with the thickness of the material times 2. I do think maybe if I can make some modification here. So I'm going to do some modding on this just to see. Maybe I can X-Acto knife this there and here to make it to where it can fold over. Of course, that removes any protection on the corner here that you might have, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. There it is. I say no. This is not for me. And if beyond this is for you, or you need this, it's a no. Okay. Hopefully you found this helpful. Maybe it saved you from purchasing it. Give me a thumbs up. Share it. Hey, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's going on. Thanks for watching.